Hey guys, and welcome back to the Gigi Naturals Homestead channel. It's a really beautiful day here in Tallahassee, so I am headed out back and we're gonna go ahead and get some turmeric and ginger harvested today. So if you all wanna see this, stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so I planted this back in the summer, I believe. And so, as you can see, the cold weather has kind of come in and done its thing. And so I'm gonna pull up, see what we have. I took this from store-bought ginger. And as you can see, just in a few months, we had some growth there. So the pieces I had were pretty small, but they had buds on them. So that's the thing that I would say to look for, these types of little buds there. And I kind of waited a little bit longer than I should have to pull this up. So it's pretty moist down here, but I'm gonna take it and clean it up and then refrigerate it. It's pretty cold because it has been cold outside, but as you can see, that's some pretty good growth there. So I'm going to definitely be putting more of the pieces that are starting to bud. I'll probably try to grow some in the house just to kind of get an idea of what it would do on the inside versus on the outside. And I probably should have grabbed some gloves. I really don't want to just dig down in there. So okay, well, it came up. So that works. But yeah, so we got some big pieces off of the little pieces that I planted. So I'm pretty happy with this. So you can see we got a nice big bunch there. And there's a piece there. This is a weed that has just been there forever and just needed to go. But one of the things that I learned from doing this is that I definitely want a larger container. I like these containers that I buy at the big box store, and this size is about maybe $8. So they do have them larger in some places, but this one, I don't know the measurements on it, but this size is about $8. All right, and so that's kind of that, and let's move on over to the turmeric. Okay, so let's see what we have in terms of turmeric. Let's see if we can get it worked up out of there. And the turmeric I actually bought offline, and so it came in about maybe 10 small pieces, really small pieces. And I knew that this one was probably gonna take a while to grow. So there are new buds on there. And as you can see, above the ground, you would think that you got a really nice piece, but under the ground, it's doing something different. But we did get some growth and some new budding happening, so that is very promising. So the pieces that I started with basically look just like this. They were this size, which is like, you know, smaller, about smaller than my finger size. So That's what I started with. And so now we're getting new buds, new growth. So that's promising. All right, so there's a little piece with some roots on it right there, but it's really tiny. And here, so there you go. That's a little piece. All right, let's see what we got on this one. So we got a nice cluster here. And so what I'm gonna do is take this soil, clean it up, put some more nutrients in it, and reuse it for another project. There you go for the turmeric harvest. So thanks guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do so, and I'll see you guys on the next video.